Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we save you from making regrettable purchases and help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we've got a drone showdown. On the left, we've got the high-flying Ruko F11PRO, and on the right, the budget-friendly DRONEEYE F10 foldable drone. Let's see which one deserves your dollars and which one should be grounded for life. Buckle up, folks. It's about to get turbulent. First off, let's talk about the price. The Ruko F11PRO will set you back $389. Ouch, right? You could buy a decent vacation with that. Meanwhile, the DRONEEYE F10 is just $79. Yep, you heard that right. That's less than what you'd spend on a fancy dinner date. So if your wallet's feeling anorexic, the DRONEEYE F10 is already winning. Now, let's talk camera quality. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120-degree FOV lens and 90-degree adjustability. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky. The DRONEEYE F10, on the other hand, sports a 1080 PFPV camera. It's decent, but let's be real. Comparing these two is like comparing a blockbuster movie to your uncle's home videos. Reviewers agree that the Ruko's camera quality is exceptional, while the DRONEEYE's camera leaves much to be desired. Flight time is next. The Ruko F11PRO offers a whopping 60 minutes with its two 2,500 mAh batteries. That's an hour of pretending you're a pilot. The DRONEEYE F10, however, didn't even bother mentioning its flight time in the description. Probably because it's so short, you could blink and miss it. Reviewers love the Ruko's long flight time, whereas the DRONEEYE's flight duration is often criticized. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie. The Ruko F11PRO comes with beginner settings, intelligent flight features, and even a GPS auto-return home feature. It's like the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. The DRONEEYE F10 also has some neat tricks up its sleeve, like one-key start, landing, altitude hold, and even voice control. But let's face it, voice control on a drone is just an excuse to shout at your gadgets like a madman. Both are user-friendly, but Ruko's got a slight edge with its extra safety features. Reviewers highlight the Ruko's intuitive controls and helpful features, while the DRONEEYE is praised for its simplicity and ease of operation. Build and durability. Because no one wants a drone that crumbles like a cookie. The Ruko F11PRO has a brushless motor with level 6 wind resistance and an aluminum alloy casing. This thing could probably survive a minor apocalypse. The DRONEEYE F10? Well, it folds, so if you want a drone that fits in your pocket but might not survive a gust of wind, there you go. Reviewers rave about the Ruko's solid build and durability, whereas the DRONEEYE has mixed reviews, with some users experiencing durability issues. Reviewers are overwhelmingly positive about the Ruko F11PRO, praising its build quality, flight time, and exceptional camera. On the other hand, the DRONEEYE F10 has mixed reviews, with some users appreciating its affordability and ease of use, but others criticizing its camera quality and durability. All right, Buy Smart fam, it's time to declare a winner. If you're looking for top-notch quality, amazing camera resolution, and a drone that practically flies itself, the Ruko F11PRO is your go-to, if you can stomach the price. But if you're on a budget and just want something fun to mess around with, the DRONEEYE F10 isn't a bad choice. It's like the difference between a gourmet meal and a fast food burger. Both have their moments. So what do you think? Are you Team Ruko or Team DRONEEYE? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying, Product links are in the description.